Pakistan People's Party Chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari said the people of Kashmir are undergoing worst form of aggression from the occupying Indian forces in the Held Kashmir and urged the United Nations and the world community to investigate the reports of use of chemical weapons and pellet guns against the Kashmiris. Kashmir Solidarity Day will be observed across the country on Monday to express solidarity with the Kashmiri people who are struggling for their right to self-determination under United Nations resolutions. Pakistan People's Party is all set to hold power show in Mochi Gate area of Lahore on Monday. All preparations in this regard have been made and the PPP has released a new song for the rally. Former President of Pakistan and People's Party parliamentarian head Asif Ali Zardari on Saturday reached Lahore to attend the rally and the venue has been decorated with party flags, banners, flexes and posters on the eve of Kashmiri Day. The Pakistan People's Party chairman said that Kashmiris have been waging a peaceful movement for the legitimate right to self-determination for 70 years, losing thousands of innocent lives and impairing and maiming of large number of population. He pointed out that it was the former Prime Minister Shahid Moazzam Benazir Bhutto who declared February 5th as Kashmir Day to fill at the issue of Held Kashmir and pay tribute to those Kashmiris who embraced martyrdom and offered sacrifices during the untiring struggle. The Special Parliamentary Committee on Kashmir, also formed by ex-Prime Minister Shahid Moazzam Benazir Bhutto in her second unfinished tenure, would be mobilized and activated to its full potential after PPP wins the general elections 2018. He added, Bilawal said that he was third generation of the PPP's founder leaders, which continues to extend all possible moral and diplomatic to legitimate movement of Kashmiris for their unalienable right to self-determination. Both former chairpersons of the PPP and Prime Ministers always presented case of Kashmiris aggressively on international forum. He added, PPP chairman pledged that all moves by the Modi government to put the issue of Kashmir on back burner would be foiled through highlighting the worst violations of human rights of the people of Held Kashmir at global level. Our dedication and commitment to the cause of the people of Kashmir will remain as vocal, vibrant and forthcoming as was during times of martyr Bhutto's, he reiterated.